What do you see? Let's move it out. You gonna look at everything? Or are you gonna play first?
I'm gonna play first.
Why don't you look at the rest of your stuff and then we can play with everything all at once. Is there anything else? I want to see how the horsey goes down. Whoa. Let's look over here. Oh, you got him stuck. Okay, let's look at the rest of your stuff, then we'll come back and play with this, okay? Let's make sure we don't miss everything. Here, I'll hold these. Is there anything else over there that Santa brought you, or is that it? What is that? Do you want to show Daddy?
It's a cage.
A cage?
Oh, well, that looks like a boat made out of Legos.
Is that a new plate?
Oh my
Oh,
goodness, it looks like a new plate for you. What is that?
I'm Flip, and I'm a bounce back racer.
What is that? Can you push it?
That was crazy fun. That was awesome.
What is that?
You're pushing a button, let off.
Oh my. Go the other way.
Push the other button. Other button. Oh, the other blue button.
The other side.
Flip into stunt mode. Wahoo! Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Do that again. That was crazy.
Wow.
What is that?
Bring the speed.
What is that, Joss? Did you see something else?
That was totally awesome.
What do you see there?
Can you move this for me?
Move what?
The stocking. That's where the bubbles go, but we don't have the bubbles in. That's a bubble mower.
Yeah, bubbles.
There's bubbles that came with it? Oh, no, no, no. Don't open it right now. Because we're going to finish looking at everything, okay? You want to give it a push? See how it sounds? Where are you
Don't go too
headed?
far.
Come on back.
Are you going to help Daddy mow the grass with that? Are you going to help Daddy mow grass with that? Yeah? How cool is that? What came with that? What is that little bottle over there?
Bubbles.
Wait, that little bottle is bubbles? And that came with your lawnmower?
Huh?
Let me look at that. Jocelyn,
I have bubbles.
this lawnmower blows bubbles.
Yes.
Oh, you knew that?
Sorry, Mommy told her.
Oh. I don't know how Mommy knew that.
Well, because she picked up the bubbles and tried to open them already.
Don't open them yet.
Because they'll
Well, you don't wanna
spill.
spill it.
Is there anything else, or did you see everything?
Thank you. Did you see everything?
Did you see all of your new stuff from Santa? Maybe Daddy can try to put the bubbles on.
We can try to put it on. Not from the house. No, you think? Whatever.
Yeah, I think it was okay.
It blows a lot of bubbles, I think.
Yeah, that's alright. It's too cold out. Hey, Jossie, why don't you look and see what else is there?
Is this Play-Doh?
Is it Play-Doh? You can let go of your mower for a second. It's not going to go anywhere. And then park it.
No, one more.
Come on back. That way you can look at the rest of your stuff while Mommy's filming you.
What's the stuff right there?
I don't know. Let's look over here. Or you want to look at that?
Is that a test?
That says from Papa and Nanny. Do you want to see what's in there? You can pull it off. What is that?
I
You need help? What does that look like?
Can I paint with it?
Did you know that was for painting? That's an easel, isn't it?
My goodness, Jessie, did you see that?
We'll paint some for sure soon, okay? Do you want to finish looking at what's out here? You said you saw some Play-Doh stuff, did you?
Can I still put my hair?
Are you ready to say goodbye to the video?
Bye.
Can you blow a kiss? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do you like all of your stuff?
Uh-huh.
Did Santa treat you well this year?